Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chocolate cake. This easy chocolate cake, guys, is easy to make and is so moist. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by greasing by 9 by 13 inches baking pan and set aside. Now let's move on to work on our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, mix together flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Once everything is mixed well, add vegetable oil, vanilla extract, add 2 eggs, and cold water. Using a whisk everything together until well incorporated. Once the batter is smooth, we're gonna go ahead and pour it into the baking pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the cake and do the toothpick test and let the cake cool completely. Now let's move on to make the chocolate icing. In a medium bowl, combine confectioner sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and milk. Beat well until the icing is smooth and fluffy. Now the icing is ready. We're gonna ice the cake. Using an offset spatula, create a beautiful fancy design you like, guys. I love chocolate cake, guys. This cake is so different from most of chocolate cake recipes that are out there. It uses cold water instead of hot water. This cake is phenomenal, and here is why. It's easy to make and the recipe is easy. The directions to follow, guys, they are very easy. No fancy decorating skills required. And one other thing, guys, do not use Dutch processed cocoa. Use unsweetened cocoa powder with this recipe. There you have it, guys. Easy chocolate cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and to ring that bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.